We're here at Jefferson National Forest and we have found a nice little hiking trail, and it's the Cooperative Habitat Enhancement Project. So let's see what we got. Looks like it's a tad overgrown, but it'd be okay. Just as long as we don't run into any wild animals, we'll be fine. Ferns everywhere. That is a deer print. More ferns.
Are those ferns?
Ferns. Fernage.
Makes you think of where the red fern grows.
I've never seen a red fern.
You've never seen it?
I mean, I've seen the movie.
Yeah.
I've read the book. I had to read the book in school, but I have never seen an actual red fern.
Mm-mm.
Oh, well, this is gorgeous. Coming to a place, though, that looks like it's overgrown. Oh, that's a nice field right there.
Nice field for snakes.
All snakes I'm not worried about. It's more bears and mountain cats. Okay, so I don't think this was the trail that I thought it was, because that's really grown up back there, and I don't remember any fields like that. So, okay, mistake. Let's try this again. Blueberries.
The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Interesting. So I actually could not find the place that I was looking for, but I did find this little place. Very pretty. Kind of close to the road, though. And here's a little trail. Well, there used to be a sign here, but looks like it's gone now. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, Samantha is not with me. She wimped out on me, said she was tired, so she stayed in the car. That was a little uphill, nothing bad though. And we got another sign. How cute, there's a little bench to sit on. And you can go up to the road that way. But there's a sign here that piques my interest. Now open. And it's got a little mushroom growing at the bottom of it. So let's go. Oh, more mushrooms. Cool. And there's another little bridge. Okay, so this one leads back up to the road too. And right down here is the trail up to Flag Rock. Wow, that is miles worth of trail, and there's no doing that today. But you know what? If you know me, I'll be back. So should I walk back down the trail, or should I walk down the road? I'm gonna walk down the road. Just hope I don't get hit by a car. Oh, walking on the road. Flashbacks from over at Cumberland Gap when I can't really say got lost, because in this day and age you cannot get lost. But I got off track, and that whole day was around a 10-mile hike. So yeah, that was, yeah, walking the road like this kind of reminds me of that. Oh, it's very pretty up here though. I have to tell you a little story about Samantha. One time we were at Martin's Fork Lake, and it was over toward the back side. Well, here's a car. It was over toward the back side where we were hiking, and this was when the water was really low, and you could go all the way around back to that cove. And that's where you get up on the Cumberland Shadow Trail and come back down. It's a very, very long hike. And it's a very hard hike. So, she sat down there next to the lake. And she's like, no, I'll just wait here. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to walk on down here. Well, my travel took me a few hours. Because even though the water was down, I still had to get through some brush and crawl over it, crawl under it, and yeah, it was a mess, but it was fun. And so when I got back, She was sitting there crying because she had thought that I fell in the water and drowned or something. So, yeah. We were talking in the car earlier, and she was talking about going back to Tallulah Falls and filming for you all. For her birthday one year, we went to Tallulah Falls in Georgia, and we stayed in a cabin, and we did the trail down to Tallulah Falls. And that is like 20-something stories worth of steps going down. And then, of course, once you go down, you have to come back up. So, she was talking about doing that again. I don't know that I'm ready for that again. I was sore for days and days. Let's climb these here steps. Ooh. Oh. There looks like it's a little trail out that way. Fireplace. We're back at the beginning of that trail. So there it was. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in next time for my next adventure. Don't know where it's gonna be, but yep, get healthy with me. You are my motivation. Let me be your motivation. Love y'all. Bye.